B.
The GoPro, where could it be? Just in case you're gonna ask.
Yeah, they will.
Ay, paano sa kanya Graciel? Okay lang yun.
Entrance to the parks. So we're just going to Islands of Adventure and we're walking through the city walk thing.
Do they have the water lock? Your water lock right?
Going into the park now. It's 7:47. Let's go! We're gonna go to oh, so pretty, so nice. Love it. Dr. Seuss. Holy shit. This is, we're entering, I think, into the Harry Potter world. And the line for Hagrid's ride. It's pretty long already.
What are you doing now?
Look at this.
How do you do this?
Setting up the GoPro. Gotta set it up tight. I'll do it. Setting up the GoPro. And medyo mabilis naman yung line kasi maaga kami. Pero ano pa rin, marami pa rin tao.
Ilang minutes biyahe ito? Papuntang ano? Ako ng Calgary ito. 3 days. 3 days.
Yeah.
About 1 hour in. I'm blurry kasi it's dark. Oh. Alright, we're almost there. This is it. Are you ready?
Off you go. We'll meet at the edge of the forbidden forest. They're doing.
Yes, it is! Oh my God!
Hang on. Oh, and don't mind flopping. His rocks are worse than his bites. No, don't panic. I'll just, looks like you've lost power. I got it. Don't worry. Reparo. Sorry, I never was great shakes at magic.
What did you think about that one?
It was so fun.
What did you think about that one?
I'm so done.
We're now going to, where are we going? Oh, we're gonna go to Velociraptor. Oh, this is, what's this called? Journey? Journey to the end of the world. I know, there's no one. What the heck?
That's Dumbledore's office.
Perhaps one of our younger guests will
During your visit, you may encounter all manner of things not
now read yourself.
Sige, doon ako. Nandito na ako na.
That's Harry Potter World. Now we're going to the Hulk. We didn't go to the Velociraptor yet. Oh, Jurassic Park. Let me take a picture of you here. It's like we're gonna go Velocicoaster.
Go through the newborn world, and giants walk the earth. Welcome to curved, hair-like beaks are the most primitive of the horned dinosaurs. A group of herbivores.
It's so hot. It's so hot. Init.
Kasama yung katabi nyo?
We are complete now. Everyone's here. So we rode that. That's the Velocicoaster. Anyways, we lost this GoPro.
We lost and then we found it.
But we found it. So now we're on our way back to the rest of the family. Ay, you know how many steps we've had? O, tingnan mo si Mami nag-text. Dito kami kay Buhay. So, anyways.
17,000. Roughly 18,000.
Yeah. So, we rode that earlier. We rode this one also. Actually, almost lahat na ano. So, just gonna meet the family right now and then do a couple more rides. They close at 9. So, around 9 we'll start heading out, I think. Are you having fun?
I'm having fun.
Look at this. We are at Toontown right now. I think it's what it's called. Actually, I don't know what it's called. Comic Town? I'm not sure.
Okay, there's Buhay.
Buhay. Where? Where?
Ayan, where was that?
Okay. Okay. Dito kami sasakay next. So may water choo-choo. We're gonna get soaked. So, yeah.
Mami, medyas mo! Nalaglag!
Actually, we're sneakers for you. My shoes, bro!
Just leave it alone.
Love you. Oh my God!
Is that it? No way.
We're so wet. May paano din sila dito, guys. So, yung wrap. Ay, yung ano. We are walking towards the exit na, pero I think dito kami dadaan sa ano siguro. Eto, guys. Sinakyan namin to, guys. Ito yung Velocicoaster, yung sobrang bilis talaga. Look. Ano na lang kami, inikot na lang namin yung ano. Actually, binalikan namin yung kung saan kami nag-start kanina. Kasi, anong gusto mong tingnan? The Harry Potter world. Yung Harry Potter world daw. So, check namin. Kasi maganda naman talaga kasi yung ano, yung, sa gabi. May mga nights sila. So, since kanina, 7 a.m., ngayon it's already 9. Okay, hugs me.
Why do you text her? You have a phone.
Albert is just a game. Pasok tayo, guys. Kasi, ano, dito kami pumunta kanina nung nag-ride kami ng Hagrid na, ano, na rides. Hindi ko alam kung rinig niyo ba ako, pero, ito yan. Magical creatures. Ay, si Mama. Ma, nag-enjoy ka ba, Ma? Nag-enjoy ka ba?
Kayo nag-enjoy.
Tagabantay lang daw sila ng gamit, guys. Tapos init na init sila kanina. Dito may butterbeer kanina. Ito yung castle. And guys, ito yung may pinakamahabang pila kanina. This one is so beautiful. To Hogwarts.
Let's go over there.
Ganda sa evening. So nice. That's so cute. Carl Suso. Look at this hat, so big. Cats, hats, and things. And look at the moon. Apparently it's not a full moon today. not a full moon tonight? We're just going to the entrance right now to meet with everybody, and then we're gonna go home.
Hey guys,
This is the chocolate factory, Hard Rock Cafe. Now we're going through City Walk to take our bus shuttle to go to our hotel. Nama. This City Walk. There's lots of people. Okay, we're going now. We're going now. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. So that's it for today. We're resting our feet because, you know, plantar fasciitis life. There's ice, Voltaren on this inside, and then this splint. It's helping a lot, but this one is starting to hurt because we did a lot of walking, but doesn't feel quite as bad as this one. Look, our thing got dirty from I don't know what from.
I don't know, but I don't want to use it anymore. We don't have that thing kasi nakalinis.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
So we'll just do like this.
Yeah. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching today. We couldn't do a lot of the videos inside the rides because we're not allowed to have our phones. And then the extreme rides, they don't allow anything at all. So yeah, but overall we had so much fun. Tan line.